In this video, we will show you how to create a virtual proxy for mail and deploy. As you can see, when we create a data source we get an error message. So let's check the virtual proxy in the management console of Qlik. The Windows authentication pattern is Forms. Mail and deploy does not support this type of authentication. That is why we will create a new virtual proxy. We fill all the fields, first description, then prefix. We add MD to the session cookie header name. Then we click Add New Server Node. We select the associated central proxy and click Add. And then we click Apply. We want to continue, so we click OK. Now we go to Proxies and link the central proxy service. We can return to the Mail and Deploy Management console now. Here, we create again a new data source and now we use the new virtual proxy by adding the virtual proxy path. The data source is now created and we can rebuild the cache and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.